tahanan, opisina, ang maaasahan mo ay Inko. Oh, Inko. 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 Oh, Inko. 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 Oh, Inko. 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 Oh, Inko. Inko.
Tucked away in the province of Albay, known for its perfectly shaped Mayon volcano, Misibis Bay Resort, a locally owned 5-hectare private island resort. The resort is ready for all those looking to balance tranquility and adventure. This tropical destination is where guests can either choose to relax under the palm trees or have an adventure under the sun. It features modern and luxurious rooms and villas, recreational facilities, and sophisticated services. Come and experience Misibis Bay Resort, your tropical island getaway.
Never let the fear of striking out keep you from playing the game. Good afternoon sa inyong lahat mga kasurog. Muling nagbabalik ang inyong Ako Bicol Cup 2022. Hatid pa rin sa inyo ni Congressman Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List na katabang na kasurog pa. We welcome you all sa aming live coverage ng Ako Bicol Cup 2022. We still have 4 games headed to our way sa ating Day 14 and we would like to thank everyone who are still with us right now para lang mapanood ang mga magagandang laro. And dito ngayon tayo sa loob ng Daraga Covered Court sa bayang Uma-Arangkada ng Daraga Albay. And now as we headed to our Game 2 matchup ngayong hapon, let's take a look at the key players of both teams. Let's first start with J.R. Arizobal, the Reynel Hugnatan version of Ako Bicol Cup na maglalaro para sa Bakakay, and Leo Blanca of Malinaw. Again, sino kaya sa mga manglalarong ito ang magdadala sa kanilang koponan sa panibagong panalo dito sa ating torneo? Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Ako pa rin po ang nakakasama ninyo dito sa Ako Bicol Cup, Coach Kyle Andre Lorejo Marili, at para sa aking guest analyst naman para sa bakbakang ito, walang iba, Coach George Serrano. Magandang hapon, Coach.
Magandang hapon, Coach Kyle. Magandang hapon sa mga taga Bicol. So, andito naman po tayo, Coach Kyle, ngayon sa larong parang inaabangan ng lahat.
Yes, and as we take a look at the game recap, balikan muna natin yung mga nagdaang laban ng Team Bakakay at Team Malinaw.
Ay, Team Bakakay bags again another win against Team Malilipot with a 20 points advantage. That is 96-71. On the other side naman, Team Malinaw bags also another win against Team Tabaco with a 4-point advantage. That is 94-90.
At para sa ating laban today, Bakakay versus Malinaw, another good match coming from the first district. At pasadahan din natin ang ating team standing for the first district with Bakakay and Malinaw with a tie, 2 wins and 1 loss apiece.
Yes, coach. So 2-1 pareho yung standing ng Bakakay at Malinaw. So kailangan nilang mapanalo ngayong yung larong ito.
So a badly needed victory for
Yes.
both teams. And let's head on to our key player matchup. Let's first start with Team Bakakay. We have J.R. Arizobal scoring at 20 big points, 9 rebounds, and 2 assists against the Team Malilipot. And their opponent is Team Malinaw. We have Leo Blanca scoring 21 points, 5 rebounds, and 5 assists. And syempre, puntahan na natin ang magiging storya ng bakbakang ito. At yan na nga, Team Bakakay, Team Malinaw, deadlock.
Yes, coach. So both are strong teams but only one can prove or show their greatness in their matchup. Para sa kalaman ng lahat, ang top 2 teams per district lang ang makakasama sa ating playoffs. At nagkataon na ang Bakakay at Malinaw ay parehas sa standing sa ating Ako Bicol Cup 2022. One will have the advantage or high chance to proceed to the next round. But the other one will also have a disadvantage and might fail to qualify to the second round. But still, bilog ang bola, coach. Anything can happen. Win big or lose your chance. Huwag na natin patagalin pa at para magkaalaman na. Simulan na natin, coach.
Yan nga ang ating matutunghayan ngayon dito sa labanan ng Team Malinaw versus Bakakay. This is a game to break the tie. And let's turn it over sa ating arena announcer for the starting 5 para sa magkabilang kupunan.
John Howard, the prime. Jersey number 7, power forward, Nikki Brasha. Jersey number 10, point guard, John Katimbua. Jersey number 17, center, Roberto Sayawa. From Manila, jersey number 4, forward, Francis Rodriguez. Jersey number 5, forward, Leo Marco Blanca. Jersey number 6, guard, Julius Timorso. Jersey number 24, center, Jomar Gonzalez. Jersey number 30, forward, Luis Yaco. Officiating official from the studio by Tucci J. Mohan. Number 1, the Leo Army. Number 2, Don Abayasa.
At yan na nga ang ating starting unit para sa magkabilang kupunan. Again, this is a battle of first district, labanan ng Team Bakakay kontra sa Team Malinaw. And let's take a look at our starting 5 for both teams. Para sa Bakakay, Katimbuhan, Beltran, Arizobal, Brasha, and Sayawan. Sa kabila naman, Rodriguez, Tiburcio, Blanca, Lianco, and the man in the middle, walang iba, si Daddy Jomar Ponsalan.
Yes. Oo, si Daddy Punsalan. Parang magandang matchup to, coach, ngayon, di ba?
Oo.
Parang match na match ngayon.
Definitely, you don't want to lose this game, especially that we are near sa ating second round.
Oo, coach. So, kailangan nilang mapanalo to kasi top 2 lang yung kada district yung kukunin papuntang playoffs. So, pag natalo, delikado talaga. Yung nasabi nga natin kanina, coach, di ba? So, dapat A-game yung papakita nila dito.
And that's not an A game, that's a T game because they open up this ball game with a turnover.
medyo pangit yung
Oo.
simula, coach. So,
Talking about-
dapat hindi ganun ang simula.
Oo, that's a yawan. But the rebound will be picked up by Arizubal, but he cannot convert that layup at Rodriguez stepping on the gas. Rodriguez attacking at nakapulot doon ng foul. And he will troop to the line to shoot 2 free throws para buksan na ang scoring ng ating ball game.
Oo. Foul agad. 9 minutes pa lang, mayroon ng foul.
So that's and this free throw is brought to you by Willie and Sons at may mga branches sila dito sa ating Albayan, Sorsogon, Legazpi, Albay, Daraga, Tabaco, Ligao, Pulangi, Piudoran, Sorsogon, Bulan, Gubat, Erosin, Basta Appliances, Willie's.
Oh, coach. Sakto, Christmas na.
Yes,
Diba? May mga bonus
regalo,
na.
no?
Sakto, punta agad sa Willis pag nakuha yung bonus.
Katimbuhan.
Oh, foul.
Mishandled lang yung pasa doon.
Wala, hindi pa yung masyadong energetic yung mga players. Medyo busog pa siguro sila, coach.
What do you think the match-up of Rodriguez and Katimbuhan, coach, dito sa ating ball game?
Oo. Si Rodriguez, yung veterano na rin yan sa loob eh. Isa sa mga magagaling na big man din dito sa atin sa Bicol. So kaya maganda yung matchup dito.
At Ponsalan being hounded by Arizubal. And he was blocked. Pero Ponsalan pa rin. And Tiburcio with another shot. But I guess the ball will remain sa mga nakadilaw with 14 seconds on their shot clock.
Oo, yan. Andun na sa loob naman si Daddy Pons. So mag-ooperate sila sa loob. Sigurado yan.
Blanca launching that 3-point shot pero hindi yon nakapasok.
Tinansag bilis. Nice transition offense.
Katimbuhan dropping that pass to Arizubal. Pero sa kabilang dulo din, Rodriguez very aggressive.
Oo. Gustong bumawi ni Coach Badong.
Brasha with a short stab is good.
Medyo lumaki-laki na si Brasha.
Oo. This is a former Aquinian
Ako yan. Tigers.
Tigers ni Coach Momo din.
Coach Momo.
Blanca kontra kay Beltran. Another good matchup, Beltran and Blanca.
Yes. Medyo match talaga sila sa speed, sa shooting, lahat. So medyo magkapareho yung halos laro nila.
But Katimbuhan, another dish kay Brasha, hindi lang yun na-convert. At ayan na ang mga taga Malinaw.
Attacking dalawa. Puro transition offense, coach.
Mabilis ang laban natin ngayon.
Dinadalian nilang laro. Pero mas medyo successful yung Bakakay.
And Team Malinaw has seen enough. Tatawag muna sila ng time up because this is a 6-1 run ng Team Bakakay. At ang timeout na ito ay hatid sa inyo ng Inco Tools. Kasama na natin ang Inco Tools Bicol dito sa Ako Bicol Cup. At ito, narito na sa Bicol ang paboritong power tools and hand tools ng mga Pilipino. Dahil kung saan may Bicolano, naroon din ang Inco. Inco, make the world in your hands.
Pwede na pang regalo sa mga tatay. Yung mga pang drill.
Oo,
Ano, coach?
power tools.
Oo, mga power tools.
And again, we would like to welcome you all sa aming live coverage. Napapanood nyo po kami sa aming mga Facebook pages. Ako Bicol Online TV, Ako Bicol Party List at sa page ni Representative Saldico. We are just down to our second game of the 5-game Sunday special ng Ako Bicol Cup.
Oh, coach, medyo babad ka na naman ngayon.
That is right.
Oo. Sanay ka na rin naman na eh.
Para
coach.
simple-simple na lang eh.
Wala na yan. Mani. Kumbaga. Ito na. Simula na tayo.
Right now, Coach, pasadahan din natin. What will be the keys to the ball game for you? Dito muna tayo para sa Team Malinaw.
Siguro yung sa Malinaw, inside game, coach. So, nakikita naman natin, sineset nila si Punsalan sa loob ngayon eh. So then, of course, siyempre yung combination yung sa outside shooting.
Oo. At para naman sa Team Bakakay.
So, nakita natin yung Team Bakakay, ina-atake talaga nila transition. So, doon sila ngayon nabubuhay, doon sila ngayon lead, doon sa transition offense nila.
At yun nga ang titingnan natin kung makakapitalize ba nila ang parehas na advantage dito sa labang ito.
Ayan, sa loob.
At
Ayun.
hindi ka nga nagkamali, Coach George.
Binibigyan talaga nila sa loob si Ponsalan.
That
So,
little high-low play.
Doon mag-start yung offense nila, coach. So, makikita mo yan mamaya, magsiset na yan pag medyo tina-triple team na si Ponsalan. Bibigyan na ni Ponsalan sa labas. Sigurado yan.
Brasha with a
Ayan.
3.
Ganda ng simula ni Brasha. May 3 points pa. So, itong batang to, may nag-improve na din talaga to. Nakita ko to nung sa UST Tigers pa to. Payat-payat pa to, coach eh. Ano?
Underrated power
Underrated.
forward.
Oo. Sobra. Pero nakita mo yung improvement ngayon. Tsaka yung katawan niya, ganda na rin.
Liangco down
Ayan.
to Blanca. Back irons that one.
Talagang jump shot, coach.
Katimbuhan slicing through at nakapulot doon kay Coach Badong Rodriguez ng foul. At titingnan natin ang replay ng 3-point shot ni Brasha. Hatid syempre sa inyo yan ng Misibis Cagraray Island. Surprise, Coach, meron kaming replay na.
Hindi, ibang level talaga. Iba talaga ako, Bicol.
Well, of course.
Iba. The best. Maganda yung coach. At least, di ba? Hindi na tayo yung mga pang lower level. Medyo upgraded
Talagang,
na
oo,
tayo.
lampas
diba?
na lampas na.
Nakaraan nga, nakita ko, kahapon yan, nakita ko NBA na kayo.
Ayun, mga bloopers namin ni Boss Morgan eh.
Sabi ko, matindi talaga mga tao gumawa na mga ganon.
Tiburcio with his jumper. Wala yan. And Arizabal with another rebound.
Umatake na naman sila.
Katimbuhan using that Brasha pick.
Nice.
Jumper.
Oh. Gusto ko yung mga play na ganun, coach. Yung magpa-pop na lang bigla. Diba? Tapos iuhulog ng guard sa ibabaw. So, ang maganda doon kasi yung mga big man nila marunong sa labas.
So talaga magbibigay yun ng space, no, Coach?
Yes, coach. So nakita mo na wala halos bantay doon si Brasha eh.
So in the next
Di lang na-convert.
sequences dito sigurado na yung single coverage nila Punsalan ay madadrag na talaga sila outside the paint.
Yes. Medyo lahat ng depensa nasa baba eh.
And eto talaga, Coach, yung binansagan ko nga, the Reynel Hugnatan version.
Oo. Yung nasa pa lang yan, BC Maroons under Coach Hector ata yan, di ba?
Hector Serrano.
Ay, Coach Hector Serrano, kumusta? Shout
Si
out
ano mo
sa'yo.
din yan?
Si Primes.
Primes mo.
Matindi yung mga kalahi ko.
Nasa Batangkan Kalu siya ng Pilipinas Super League, if I'm not mistaken.
Oo, tsaka assistant coach ata siya ng UE Red Warriors sa Juniors Division.
Magandang hapon sa iyo dyan, Coach Hector.
Namimiss ka na namin dito sa,
Yes.
sa Legazpi. Uwi na dito.
A good curl doon kay Brasha, pero good read on the offense. Talking about the defense of Team Malinao. And right now we are under the 5-minute mark ng ating bakbakan as we take a look at this last play. Rodriguez to Tiburcio.
High-low ulit. Wala, hindi lang na-convert.
And a foul there on Bobis. And right now, Team Bakakay naman ang tatawag ng timeout. Ano ngayon ang nakikita mo, Coach, dito sa ating ball game? This is a 10-point lead for the Team Bakakay.
Manageable naman, coach. Pero yung conversion nung sa team ng Malinaw, medyo maalat pa. Hindi pa masyado. Medyo nadidepensa rin sila ng Bakakay, coach, dun sa inside. So medyo dapat may mix up from inside, go outside ulit. Then nakikita ko rin yung high and low nila. Hindi lang, wala rin conversion. Kaya yun din, nahihirapan sila doon. Then maganda yung defense ng Bakakay.
At yan nga ang ginagawa ng Team Bakakay right now. Attacking the heart of the defense. Hindi na nila inaantay, Coach, na makapag-set up yung depensa. Early offense.
Yes, early offense talaga. Fast break sila. Ginagamit nila yung bilis nila eh. Then, combination inside and outside, yung mga perimeter shots, pumapasok sa kanila.
At yun naman talaga ginagawa nila since day one ng paglalaro nila dito sa AKB Cup. Etong team Bakakay, very well known sa kanilang transition offense.
Yun talaga yung bread and butter nila,
Oo.
diba? Offense nila. So, ginagamit talaga nila yung yung parang yung weapon nila.
Oo.
Diba?
Yan yung mga luxury of having a good guards like Katimbuhan and Beltran.
Yes, totoo yan.
Well orchestrated players to eh.
Ay, oo. Kaya maganda yung combination ng mga guards.
Beltran with the ball.
Tingnan mo coaching spacing na maganda yung spacing nila eh. Diba?
Brasha with another 3.
Ayun.
Off lang yan siya doon.
Oo. Maganda yung spacing ng Bakakay. Yun din yung maganda sa kanila eh.
So what should the defense of Team Malinao right now? They're playing a little bit of 1-2-2 zone.
Oo, coach. So, siguro kung ako, gagawin ko, medyo magmaman-to-man muna ako with the combination of zone. Minsan man, minsan zone. Para at least hindi rin ma-predict ng offense yung
Oo.
ginagawa nila. So, para at least maiba naman yung set ng offense nila.
At yun, nakapuntos doon
Sa
ang
wakas.
Team Malinao with that Seriola basket.
So, very important din pumutok yung shooters ng Malinao, coach.
Sayawan kontra kay Tiburcio. Sayawan with his mid-range shot. At ang bola ay Bat Rodriguez steps on the line. At babalik ang bola sa mga taga Bakakay.
Oo, sabi ni Coach Badong, di naman daw.
Konti lang. Kung pwede mo lang i-discount, no?
Oo.
And Arizobal, another dukot layup.
Ayan, bumabawi.
Namintis lang ni Blanca yun.
Oo.
And Katimbuhan with a running start. That's Beltran.
nice block.
Pero what a block there by Tiburcio. And
Ayun.
finally, Blanca making his first 3-point shot dito sa ating laban. Trimming this lead down to only 7 points.
Oo, kailangan uminit na si Blanca, coach. So, halos siya rin talaga yung leading scorer ng di ba? Ng Malinao.
Pero ayun naman si Katimbuhan,
Bumawi. Ayan.
skying high. At merong foul as we take a look at this replay. That block,
Solid.
ganda nung abang. On top.
Umuwi ka na. Piso, kung panahon piso, no, coach? Pag naglalaro tayo. Ano, Nico? Piso? Nung sa pesto tayo. Ano? Ngayon, di na piso eh. 10 na. Wala nang halaga yung piso, ha?
Malakas lang yung pasa doon. And ang bola ay mananatili sa Team Malinao with 20 seconds on their shot clock. This game is brought to you by Willie and Sons. Basta Appliances, Willie's.
Ayan na. Screen.
Rodriguez to Bobis. Pero napulot ni Tiburcio ang bola doon.
Walang box out, coach. Walang box out. So, kailangan nila ma-box out yun kasi yung mga galing sa labas ng mga rebounders, nakakakuha sila, nakakapulot sila.
Under 2 minutes to go sa ating first quarter. Katimbuhan at nasa loob na. Another veteran guy sa Linas para sa Bakakay. What a bullet pass sana doon. Pero ayan, tumatakbo na ang Malinao Seriola. Tapos lang doon at Blanca. Wala pa rin. Sorry, misses for the team Malinao with the 2 shots.
Ayun, medyo nagmimintisan na yung dalawang teams. Eto na, babawi si Blanca dyan.
Si sure ball na
Sure ball
yun.
na yan. Hindi pwedeng pangatlo. Mintis. Si Blanca pa, former Bicol Volcanoes.
Yes.
Diba? Then si Salinas. Yan. Mga Bicol Volcanoes yan sa MPBL, di ba, coach?
Arizobal with a 3. Mintis lang yon. At Rodriguez approaching the 1-minute mark sa ating unang yugto. Bobis attacking the defense off the glass. 2 points para kay Bobbies.
Yes, coach. Wala. Oh, halos dikit na yung score.
Oh, right now, this is only a 3-point ball game. Katimbuhan.
Traveling.
Tinawagan doon ng traveling si John Katimbuhan.
Nagulat siya. Di makapaniwala. Ayan na.
Tiburcio on top sa corner.
Nice. Oh. Traveling ulit.
Traveling din ang tawag doon kay Rodriguez. At ang bola ay mapupunta sa team Bakakay with 40.4 seconds to go sa ating first quarter.
Medyo sensitive yung mga pogi nating mga referees sa sa steps.
Katimbuhan. Another rebound there for Tiburcio.
Nice deflection. Buti naka-recover dun yung Bakakay. So, yun din yung importante, coach. So, yung sa transition defense, dapat talaga mabilis. Even nag-turnover or miss shots, yung transition defense dapat talaga react agad.
As we take a look at the crowd, parang mayroong divine intervention eh. Ganyan kaganda ngayon ang panahon dito sa amin sa Daraga Albay.
Weird.
Oo, ang init.
Sa bagay, ilang days naman tayong inuulan dito
inuulan.
sa Legazpi or sa Albay. Nice.
What a
move.
spin.
Move.
Sa kanya pa rin yung bola at
Oh, scramble sila.
scrappy plays.
Aha.
Katimbuhan, ubusin na lang ang oras with 3 to go.
Wala pa rin. Ayan na. Okay.
So at the end of this first frame, Team Bakakay magbabao ng 3 kalamangan kontra sa Team Malinaw. Magbabalik po kami para sa second quarter of action ng Ako Bicol Cup 2022.
Libo-libo na ang mga nabigyan ng tulong medikal. Bata, matanda, kahit sino man, lahat ng mga may karamdaman, may maaasahan.
Nagpapasalamat sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Hindi po namin makakalimutan ang tulong na dinala ninyo dito sa aming bayan.
Maraming salamat po.
Dahil iisa lang ang tunay na nagmamalasakit. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog pa. Daan-daan na po ang mga nakapagtapos at may mga kanya-kanya ng propesyon. Sa kanilang pagpupunyagi, walang masidlan ang kanilang mga ngiti.
Yun at sa Gabos, nagpapasalamat po ako sa AKB.
Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa Ako Bicol sa opportunity.
And back to our action. Second quarter na po ng laban ng Team Bakakay versus Team Malinaw. And right now, Team Bakakay with a 3-point lead. Pero naitabla na kaagad yan ni Leo Copper Blanco with his 3-point shot. Kyle Marilla pa rin po and Coach George Serrano.
So, muna review natin yung stats from the first quarter, Coach. Sa Bakakay, si Arasubal with 8 points, 2 rebounds. And si Katimbahan, 4 points, 5 rebounds, and 4 assists. And then, sa kabila naman, sa Malinaw, Tiburcio, 4 points, 7 rebounds, 1 assist. Then si Seriola, 4 points, and 1 rebound.
And suddenly, Coach, don't look right now. Ang kalamangan ay nasa Team Malinaw na. This is the second time that they got the lead.
Bilis lang ng oras. Bilis lang ng panahon.
And a sudden tide, a change of tide. Umaatake ang Team Malinaw.
Oo, bigla na lang meron ng energy yung Malinaw. Ayan. Lamang na yung Malinaw.
Oo.
Ng 4 na puntos.
And that is because of that layup by Kapus.
Bigla silang umatake, coach eh. Diba? Parang na-surprise din yung Bakakay.
And another turnover there for the Team Bakakay. And an early timeout on the part of Team Bakakay. Right now, Coach, ano yung ginagawang maganda ng Team Malinaw kung bakit nakuha nila ang kalamangan with a 4-point lead?
Pero ganun din kanina. Binilisan nila yung laro, umatake sila agad. So kaya nakakonvert sila agad ng halos dalawang basket, di ba, Coach? So naging aggressive sila towards the offense.
So this is an 8-0 run by the Team Malinaw. And ang timeout na to ay hatid sa inyo ng Inco Tools.
Nagulat yung doon, Bakakay, Coach.
Inco Tools, Legazpi, and Sorsogon and Naga. Basta sa Inco, make the world in your hands.
Nabigla yung Bakakay doon, Coach. Parang unexpected yung atake nung Malinaw. Pero given din naman. So kaya maganda yung matchup natin ngayon, Coach. For sure yan, hanggat fourth quarter to. Medyo tatabla, lalamang. So papalit-palit lang yan ang lamang for sure.
Coach, the question right now, how important this game is for these both teams?
So siguro, Coach, they have still one game, di ba, Coach? So kahit ano mangyayari sa kalaro ito, may one game. Pero they need to win this game kasi magkakatalo pag, alimbawa, nag-3-1 si yung Bakakay, then mag-2-2 yung just in case Malinaw. So medyo mahirapan sila maka-recover. Or pwede rin sila mag-tie, di ba? For the
Yes.
So pagdating doon, so as much as possible, lahat ng laro within this game and then the other game, that manalo sila para to make sure na nasa top 2 sila.
Oo, kasi you cannot afford to lose this game tapos aasahan mo na lang na matalo sila dun sa last game nila.
Yes.
Pero if we're going to stick to the rule na head-to-head, matatalo ka pa rin sa pwestuhan.
Ay, oo naman, Coach.
So this game is very important in terms of this. Speaking about this game, at ayan na nga ang Team Malinaw in surge right now with this 10-0 run na ginagawa nila ngayon. Meron na silang 6 na kalamangan kontra dito sa Team Malinaw. Team Bakakay.
Coach. So bigla na lang pumutok yung Malinaw. So siguro yung instruction ng coach nila, nag-motivate masyado na. Sige, kailangan natin makahabol kaya makalamang. Ayan, pumapasok pa yung free throw ni Blanca.
And Blanca right now with another free throw. 2 for 2 for Blanca.
Mataas ang percentage nito Blanca sa free throws.
And then suddenly, binalik na kaagad ang starting unit ng Team Bakakay with Katimbuhan, Brasya, Sayawan.
Kailangan nila makarecover agad. Medyo lumayo yung lamang ng Malinaw. Ayan, ganda ng depensa. Muntikan pa yun, Coach.
Akala niya trailing na yung sa kabila eh.
Oo.
But that's a good steal, a good defense on the part of Team Malinaw.
Good defense. Ayan na.
Basaysay.
Medyo nag-adjust sila dito, Coach. Parang nagmamantuman na sila dito ngayon. Ayun.
Pero another penetration by Katimbuhan and dishing it off to Brasya.
Nagmantuman na ng coach yung Malinaw. So medyo nag-adjust din sila sa depensa ngayon. Ayun.
And the ball will stay sa mga nakadilaw with 12 seconds on their shot clock. At ayan na nga. Ipinasok ulit si Arisubal for Kalupas. Seriola. Driving. Ang gandang tirang yon. At ang layup na yun ay hatid sa inyo ng Mississippi Bay, Cagaray Island.
Parang papunta talaga yun sa Mississippi.
Oo nga, no?
Yung parang Euro step na paside.
Katimbuhan with another miss from the 3-point area.
Ayan.
Sayawan dancing with Tiburcio.
Oy, traveling. Traveling yun. Good goal, good goal.
As we take a look at this replay of that shot by Seriola. What a move there.
Pamisibis. Perimeter.
Brasha with another jumper.
Medyo madumi na rin si Brasha sa perimeter.
And right now, this is the biggest lead of our ball game. 10-point lead
Yes, coach.
for the team Bakakay. I mean, Team Malinaw.
Yung transition talaga nung Malinaw, coach, talagang gumanda. Gumanda na rin yung depensa nila. Naka-adjust sila eh.
Pero
Ayun lang.
hindi ininda yun ni Arizobal with another dukot. Pero nandun na naman si Seriola leading that break. Hindi niya lang na-handle ng maayos yung bola.
Meron agad umaabang coach eh. Di ba?
Kung kanina that's Beltran and Katimbuhan, right now it's Seriola and Blanca.
Ay, oo. Sila naman yung bumabawi ngayon sa takbuhan.
Timbuhan with another three. Another miss for John Katimbuhan. Pero nasa kanya pa rin ang bola. And another
pass.
good passing. And Malinaw has seen enough. They were going to call for a ceasefire and to talk things over. And right now, 5 minutes and 36 seconds to go para sa ating first half. Lamang pa rin ng 6 ang mga taga Malinaw, hoping to get a victory as we take a look at the highlights, some of the highlights in this early going ng ating labanan. Bobbies with that breakaway layup and yung talagang crisp passing ng team Bakakay. They are very unselfish right now.
Ay, oo. Nakita naman natin ng first half, coach. Maganda yung spacing nila. Maganda yung ball movement nila. It's a matter na lang yung conversion yung kanina kasi hindi na rin sila nakakapashoot.
Rodriguez checking back in. Siya ngayon ang magtitimon para sa mga taga Malinaw. Kontra yan kay Brasha. Rodriguez deflected on that pass at ayan na ang mga taga Bakakay. Katimbuhan stepping on the gas.
Block.
Stretching for that layup pero he was blocked by that long arms of Tiburcio. Basaysay back to Katimbuhan with another three. Another miss.
Ayun.
Pero andun si Arizobal to clean up the mess.
Yung mga big man ng Bakakay ang medyo kumakana ngayon, coach.
Blanca on top. What a fake
Nice.
there by Bobbies.
Simple yun. Galaw.
Simple basketball lang, no?
Oo, coach.
One fake, one dribble, tira.
Very effective. Papagurin mo pa ba sarili mo?
Katimbuhan with another shot.
Yeah.
Finally for John Katimbuhan making his first 3-point shot dito sa ating laban.
Pero kung si John Katimbuhan, factor din siya ngayon. Kasi medyo siya din nagko-control ng laro, nagdadala ng laro. Yung hustle niya andoon. So medyo kaya nakabawi-bawi rin yung Bakakay.
And right now, this is only a 3-point ball game. Seriola with a miss there. And securing that board is Yawan Katimbuhan. Tumatakbo, nagmamadali. And another good pass.
Oh, sayang.
Sorry, miss there for the team Bakakay. As we take a look at this 3-point shot. A rainbow 3-point shot atin sa inyo ng Willie and Sons. Basta Appliances, Willie's.
Pero sa kanila pa rin yung possession, di ba, coach? Sa Bakakay pa rin.
Yeah. With 15 seconds on their shot clock.
Ayan na.
Basaysay back to Katimbuhan on that right corner. Basaysay launching a three. He misses it though. And Rodriguez has the chance right now to add more sa kanilang kalamangan. Rodriguez directing traffic for the team Malinaw.
Parang si Coach Badong ngayon ng point guard.
Oo.
Di ba? Siya nagdidirekta ng kung anong play, kung saan pupunta yung mga
Wow,
players.
what a play.
Sayang yun, no? Ayan. Papa Pons.
And nandiyan na naman ang mga taga-Makakay. And that will be an offensive foul.
Sayang.
Brasha.
Sayang opportunity ng coach.
That's a wasted possession. Talking about the team Makakay.
Wala yung mga, andyan na pala si Blanca. Andyan pala si Blanca. Parang kakapasok mo lang ni Blanca o ano? Di ba, coach?
Punsalan asking for that ball. Blanca with a fake, with a shot. Malakas nga lang yon. And Rodriguez. Seriola back to a little two-man game. Ganda ng pasahan doon ng dalawang mama.
Nag-two-man game sila doon, coach.
Seriola and Rodriguez connection.
Balik sila sa 1-2-2.
Basaysay sa corner. Basaysay, he wants to attack.
Nice
And he
move.
drives. And he makes it. At nakanakaw pa doon. Si Arizobal.
Wala, di nakita si Harisubal, ah. Sa laki ni Harisubal, di nakita. Oh, isa na lang, coach.
Isa na lang ang kalamangan ng Team Malinaw with approaching to the 2-minute mark ng ating first half. Blanca kontra kay Basaysay and he steps on the line. As we take a look at this replay, ang gandang agaw nun eh.
Oo.
Parang hinablot lang na bag ni JR eh.
Oo. Parang akin na yan.
Sayawan on top kontra kay Punsalan. Sa corner is Arizobal for 3. He cannot get that one, but Rossi Brasha, one more try. Nothing but the bottom of the net.
Yung mga elbow shot. Sure ball eh. Ilista mo na agad.
And Rodriguez. And right now, nakuha na ulit ang kalamangan ng team Bakakay.
Oo, coach. Naka-recover agad sila. Buti na lang. At nahabol nila yung kalamangan ng Malinaw.
Pero Rodriguez, no problem. In that last sequence, getting the getting the lead back to their side.
Sabi ko sa coach eh.
And right now, we are seeing an action here. We have a ball game right now with only a 1-point lead. Katimbuhan with another 3. Another make for John Katimbuhan.
Red hot shooting.
After missing his 4 straight
Yes.
shots, dalawang sunod naman ang binitawan
Nagpainit
niya.
lang ng kamay.
Oo.
Pero factor siya, coach, kasi nung magpasok talaga siya, medyo may positive na nangyayari sa kanila. So, that's why leading sila ngayon. So, nakita mo naman distribution nila. Ganda. 3 seconds.
3 seconds doon. And right now, it is safe to say when John Katimbuhan ang plus-minus ngayon ng Team Bakakay is +2. Every time na nasa loob si John Katimbuhan.
Oo. Iba yung impact niya pag andyan sa loob ng court. Nakita natin kanina nung nasa bench siya.
And we have a foul there on Basaysay. And the ball will stay sa mga nakadilaw. Team Bakakay holding to a 2-point lead kontra dito sa Team Malinaw.
Ayan, nag-aabang sila. Si Coach Balong.
Blanca on top kontra kay Basaysay. He was asking for a pick for Punsalan. Punsalan, he wants to attack. At ibinigay pa kay Bobes and Bobes wasn't expecting for that pass.
Alam niya, titira na ni Papa Ponce.
Nakatutok na din siya. Rebound na lang siya eh.
Oo, biglang bigla siya nung pinasa ni Papa Ponce sa kanya. So, sayang.
Under 10 seconds para sa ating first half of action. Katimbuhan.
Nice kick out.
Masaysay for 3. Brasha, ibinato na lang yung bola kasi nga ubos na ang ating oras para sa first half at ang ating score. Kapag natapos ng ating first half, Bakakay will still have the lead pero 2 points na lang yan kontra sa Team Malinaw. Magbabalik po kami para sa halftime analysis. Ito po ang Ako Bicol Cup 2022.
Kung usapang gamit na pang bahay ay alam mo na kung saan. Kapag na pumunta sa inko lang yan. Sa inko ang katuwang sa pagkumpone, sa pagremedyo ng mga sira at paglinis ng tumi. Sa tahanan, opisina, ang maaasahan mo ay inko. Oh, inko. 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 Oh, inko. 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 Oh, inko. 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 Oh, inko. Inko.
Tucked away in the province of Albay, known for its perfectly shaped Mayon volcano, Misibis Bay Resort, a locally owned 5-hectare private island resort. The resort is ready for all those looking to balance tranquility and adventure. This tropical destination is where guests can either choose to relax under the palm trees or have an adventure under the sun. It features modern and luxurious rooms and villas, recreational facilities, and sophisticated services. Come and experience Misibis Bay Resort, your tropical island getaway.
At kami po ay nagbabalik para sa ating halftime analysis ng labanan ng First District Team Malinaw versus Team Bakakay. But right now, it is only a 2-point lead for the Team Bakakay. Coach, what happened on our first half of action?
Ay, oo. So, yung factor natin doon si Katimbuhan, coach. So, pagpasok niya, medyo nakabawi sila. Maganda yung takbo ng opensa nila. Nakakakuha sila ng maraming rebound. So, that's why sila ngayon yung leading ngayon.
As we take a look at the highlights, some of the highlights ng ating first half. Coach, punta naman natin ang ating mga scoring leaders.
Ay, okay. So yung sa Bakakay, si Arisubal, 14 points, 2 rebounds. Si Brasha, 11 points, 4 rebounds, and 1 assist. Si Katimbuhan naman, 10 points, 6 rebounds, 7 assists, and 1 steal. Malapit na, coach,
So,
mag-triple-double.
for a triple-double.
Yes. So si Seriola, sa kabila naman, Seriola, 12 points, 2 rebounds, 1 assist, 1 steals. Si Blanca naman, 10 points, 1 rebound, 1 assist. Then si Tiburcio, 8 points, 9 rebounds, 2 assists, 1 steal, and 2 blocks.
Yan ang ating scoring leaders. At ito na nga po ang ating third quarter frame para dito sa ating match-up. A must-win situation for both teams, especially if you want to advance to that second round of elimination. And another good play there for the team Makakay. Hindi lang na-convert, and Tiburcio now is running. Seriola with another fast break point.
Yes, so sila naman yung fast break sa simula ng quarter na to.
And right now, this is the second deadlock of our ball game.
So dito naman sa kada quarter, paunahan kung sino mauna makakonvert, coach.
But Brasha, as you take a look at a proud fan, proud supporter of Team Makakay,
Yung mga
Tiburcio with a short jumper. Sinagot naman kagad niya ang mid-range ni Brasha.
medyo nagpapalitan na ng mga baskets ngayon, coach. So sana hanggat sa matapos, ganun lang.
Brasha on top kontra kay Rodriguez. And another backdoor play sana doon. At ay hindi dumiretso si Seriola. Kung dumiretso siya doon, pwedeng nakuha niya pa yung bola.
Pwede, medyo open yung middle, coach.
Katimbuhan right now looking to break the tie. At sa gilid, that is Beltran for his 3. And right now, hindi natin masabi kung sino ang nagdidictate ng pace and tempo.
Yes,
Because
coach.
both of these teams are running. And Tiburcio zigzagging his way and attacking the teeth of the defense of Makakay.
Pareho, coach, maganda yung simula ng dalawang teams. Pareho sila naka-convert.
Ayan yung napakagandang.
Nice.
That is the Inco Tools power move of our ball game featuring si Tiburcio dyan. At syempre, hatid yan sa inyo ng Inco Tools. Make the world in your hands.
Reverse ni Tiburcio. Ayan, si Coach Badong, matake.
At yung friendly bounce na yun ay nakuha nila.
Merry Christmas daw. Sabi niyo.
Katimbuhan, he wants to attack pero he kick it out.
Oh.
Sayawan, a little bit of fancy there.
Oo. Hindi na-estimate. So, isang 1-point lead na lang, coach.
And Rodriguez right now looking to add more sa kanilang lamang. Blanca kontra kay Beltran. He is asking for a pick. Hindi niya gagamitin yun, but he opted to attack, pero he was denied by Bertes.
Inabangan siya doon, coach. Nag-aabang lang si Bertis.
He is waiting for the perfect timing para lumundag doon para sa tira yun ni Blanca.
Laki rin ni Bertis na, coach. Malapad.
And we are seeing our crowd inside the Daraga covered court. Katimbuhan kontra kay Seriola. Katimbuhan spinning around.
Nice.
What a layup there for
Oo.
John Katimbuhan.
Ibang level itong batang to.
He's very good on reading the defense.
Oo, coach. Nagbabasa talaga siya.
Rodriguez right now. He will attack.
Ayan na.
And
Oh, nice dive.
Blanca stepping back for 3. Muntik pa yon pero mananatili sa kanila ang bola. Seriola. And nakuha yung lucky bounce na yon.
Ayun. Ganda nung hustle ni Coach Badong doon.
And right now, Beltran to Katimbuhan. Katimbuhan looking for that 3-point shot pero he won't take it. Beltran short. At ang bola ay mapupunta sa mga nakadilaw. Right now, as we take a look at this replay, that drive of Katimbuhan, that spin and that finger roll.
Walang challenge doon, coach. Talagang open na open yung middle. Yung basketball smart ni Katimbuhan, ibang level. Ano, coach? Makikita mo talaga eh. Alam niya kung saan siya atake. Alam niya kung saan siya papasa.
At alam niya kung kailan siya aatake.
Yan.
Seriola kontra kay Salinas. Iniwanan siya doon. And I guess that's a good foul. Hindi mo na binigay yung end one.
Oo, pasigurado. Sigurado si Bertes. Inakbayan na para
Oo, hindi na makatalon.
wag muna kaibigan.
As we take a look at this replay, ayan yung sabit. Pero naitaas niya pa eh. Hindi lang niya naipasok.
Kaya may free throw siya.
Tiburcio will take this 2 free throw. Hatid sa inyo yan ng Willie and Sons. Ayan nga, may mga branches din sila sa isla ng Masbate, Katayngan, Virac, Catarman Samar, Calbayog, Catbalogan, Borongan, and Allen Samar at marami pang iba. Basta Appliances, Willis. Balik ang bola sa mga taga-Bakakay. They want to trim this D down to 1 or even type sa isang 3-pointer. Katimbuhan. Good defense. Good help defense on Blanca. And Blanca will flying for that layup.
Specialty of the house ni Blanca.
And sa Yawan Salinas. He wants to attack. Salinas will attack.
Nice pass. Block.
And a rebound will be secured of Tiburcio. And right now, Seriola to Blanca. Iniwas pa kay Katimbuhan.
Matindi.
And this is already a 7-point lead again para sa team Malinao. Sayawan. Sayawan with this fade away. Wala.
Ayun na.
At sa kabilang dulo na naman tumatakbo ang mga taga Malinao. And Team Bakakay calling for a ceasefire dahil pa konti-konti bumabalik ang kalamangan ng Team Malinao. And ang timeout na hatid sa inyo ng Misibis Bay, your tropical island getaway. Hindi lang yan para sa getaway, reunion, mga celebration ninyo, even team buildings ay pwede dyan sa Misibis Bay, sa Cagraray Island.
Sarap ngayon dun mag-relax, coach.
Oo nga, lalo pa ganitong kainit ang panahon. Pero right now, nagre-relax ang Team Malinao because they are sitting on a 7-point lead. What does this Team Bakakay must do to not let Team Malinao break away?
They need to, coach, they need to make some shots. Kasi dun sa mga missed shots nila, nagta-transition yung Malinao by the likes of Blanca. So dun nagsimula yung yung lead nila dun sa transition offense ulit ng Malinao. Hindi agad nakaahabol yung Bakakay.
Ang bola ay mananatili sa mga taga-Team Malinao with 21 seconds on their shot clock. Seriola to Lianco. Seriola kontra kay Salinas. Seriola, he wants to attack. At nakapulot ng foul doon kay Philip. And right now, meron pang 14-second shot clock ang Team Malinao to get a basket here in this possession.
Ayan.
Rodriguez.
Nice move.
And another shot for Seriola.
Ganda ng galaw ni Coach Badong dun, Basic na basic. Footwork.
Katimbuhan kontra kay Liangco. He will attack. Kick out kay Salinas. Malakas lang doon.
Nice tip in.
Pero andun si Kalupas for that putback.
Nice pass. Nakita niya yun.
What a pass once again.
Oo.
From
Nakita
Jen
talaga.
Katimbuhan.
Sinet up niya yun, coach. Nakita niya talaga yun eh.
He waited the defense to react from that initial move of his. Tsaka niya dinrap kay Salinas pero hindi lang na-convert na Salinas. But they have the chance to at least cut down this lead to at least 5 points with the 2 free throws of Salinas.
Oo, kailangan si Salinas din, medyo kailangan din tumulong sa sa offense, sa coach. So, isa rin siya magiging factor kung makaka-convert lang siyang basket. So, malaking tulong na yan sa
Ayan yung swabbing pihit ni Rodriguez. Nakita na natin sa replay.
Oo.
We're just 4 seconds away sa ating 4-minute mark. 57 to 50 lamang pa rin ang team Malinaw. And you can watch us live sa aming mga Facebook pages, ako Bicol Online TV, ako Bicol Portales, at sa page ni Representative Saldico.
Kayang-kaya pa yan, coach. Mahabol. Very manageable yan.
Mahaba pa to, 4 minutes pa sa third quarter, and 7 lang ang kalamangan.
Saka sa mga quality ng mga players natin,
They can definitely come back. Kaya sabi nga dito sa Ako Bicol Cup, there's no such thing as a comfortable lead.
Yes, coach.
Kasi anytime, baka mabaliktad yan.
Yes, coach. Totoo yan. Nangyari na yan, coach.
Kita natin siya paulit-ulit. And Salinas missing his free throw. 0 out of 2 siya doon. And Tiburcio right now running back to Tiburcio with a fake. With a little bump. And he makes it.
Grabe.
Kita mo naman yung build ni Tiburcio.
Pader.
That's that upper body strength of Tiburcio.
Lakas. Nag-create lang siya ng space doon. Konting space lang talaga kailangan niya eh. Ayan, Salinas. Medyo maalat si Salinas ngayon
Kailangan din niya makuha yung rhythm niya dito sa ball game. The team Bakakay badly needed a Salinas production.
Yes, coach. Malaking tulong yan.
Another rebound will end up to the hands of Rodriguez, and Rodriguez with a running start and another layup there for Seriola.
11-point lead na, coach.
This is now the biggest lead of our ball game, and another good defense on Team Malinaw, stripping that ball. As we take a look at this replay, tignan mo si Seriola, masyadong walang ka-fancy-fancy. Simple basketball, basic basketball.
Simple lang naman eh.
But he is delivering the goods for the Team Malinaw. And that's a bad pass. Pero naka-recover naman ni Blanca, at ayan na naman ang mga taga Malinaw with
lumilipad.
Skying high for that layup, pero namintis niya lang Tiburcio. Liangco back to Tiburcio, to Blanca, open momentarily for 3, but he cannot get that bounce.
Okay.
And we have a jump ball there. Grabe yung action na yun.
Kasi coach, marami rin yung offensive rebound ng Malinaw. So that's why ganito rin yung lead nila, kasi yung mga offensive rebound nakukuha talaga nila. So kailangan mag-box out pa ng mga taga Bakakay.
And especially yung mga bounce ng bola papunta talaga sa kamay ng team.
Nahuhulog talaga sa kanila na, coach. May nangyayari talaga ganyan eh. Kahit mga minsan nagba-box out, pero yung hulog ng bola sa kanila. Kaya
But Seriola again driving, and he was covered by the defense of Team Bakakay, forcing him for that traveling. And Punsalan will check back in. Papahinga niya muna si Tiburcio.
No, si Muscleman, Tiburcio. Yung mga paborito kong mga players, coach. Yung mga physical na mga big man.
And Katimbuhan with the ball right now.
Medyo na... nice.
What a pass once again by John Katimbuhan.
Si Katimbuhan sana, nasa set niya yung mga teammates niya. Kaso, medyo yung mga teammates niya, medyo hindi na-convert yung basket.
Liangco for 3!
Gumanti ng tres.
And under 2 minutes to go sa ating third frame.
Wala. Medyo yung crowd, coach,
Oo, nabuhayan.
nabuhayan na. Medyo hindi na inahandok yung crowd.
Masaysay open for 3. Hindi niya masasagot yon at ang bola ay
Ayun
mapupunta
na.
kay Liangco with his open layup. What an hassle on the part of Team Malinaw.
Gusto ko to si Liangco. Simple lang talaga ko siya. Mabilis na
Oo.
simpleng guard. Ayan na, si Katimpuan.
Villar with a short stop, wala pa rin. And Arizabal finally breaking the silence for the Team Bakakay.
Medyo yung drought nila, coach. Medyo
Mahaba-haba yun.
mahaba-haba.
And Rodriguez to Seriola. Seriola is hot from the field right now. And he is going to attack once again. Liangco for another 3. Wala, pero ayun na nga.
Ayun na yung offensive rebound.
Offensive rebound. Liangco is the smallest guy dun sa sequence na yun. Pero sa kanya pa rin bumagsak yung bola.
Siguro, coach, hindi nila nako-cover yung sa, yung sa perimeter. So, needed yung mga guards din bumax out.
Ponsalan with that attack.
So, big help din, coach, kasi yung mga guards eh. Sometimes may kasalanan din yung mga guards. Di rin sila nagbabox out.
Katimbuhan. And we have a technical here. Technical foul on John Katimbuhan. I guess that's because of complaining or resentment to a non-call. Can we watch the replay for that last sequence? Ayan nga ang titingnan natin dito. At ayun, medyo nagkatulakan doon. There's no contact, I guess.
Oo, siguro may lang. May complain lang dyan si Katimbuhan,
Oo.
di ba?
But nonetheless, a technical foul was already called on him. And Blanca will shoot free throws. 20.8 seconds. 20.8 seconds ang nalalabi dito sa ating third quarter of action.
12-point lead.
Nararamdaman na natin ang intensity and how important ang yung importansya nitong laban na ito.
Oo, coach.
Nakikita na natin on both sides.
Oh, coach. Eh, third quarter pa naman na.
Oo.
Di ba? So, malapit na tayo sa end ng game. So, dapat makuha nila itong fourth quarter or third quarter.
Bakakay right now need a stop from this last attack. Sa third quarter natin, Liangco mananatili sa kanilang possession with 14.2 seconds sa ating game clock. Liangco kontra kay Villar. Blanca now being hounded by Masaysay. Blanca for 3. At wala yun. At andyan na naman si Seriola. What a rebound once more para kay Seriola.
Oo.
At sa pagtatapos ng ating third quarter, Team Malinaw with 68 and Team Makakay with 56. Magbabalik po kami for more action dito sa Ako Bicol Cup 2022.
Libo-libo na ang mga nabigyan ng tulong medikal. Bata, matanda, kahit sino man, lahat ng mga may karamdaman, may maaasahan.
Nagpapasalamat sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Hindi po namin makakalimutan ang tulong na dinala ninyo dito sa aming bayan.
Maraming salamat po.
Dahil iisa lang ang tunay na nagmamalasakit. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa.
And we are back sa ating fourth and final quarter. Lamang pa rin ang Team Malinaw with only 12 points. Kasama niya pa rin po si Coach Kyle Marilia together with Coach George Serrano.
Yes, so... Ayan.
Hindi ka na pinasalita.
Hindi na.
Ni Blanca.
16 points. 16 points na to si
Oo.
si Blanca. So, yung stats natin from third quarter, Blanca, 14 points, 3 rebounds, 2 assists, and 2 steals. Si Sariola naman, 21 points, 3 rebounds, 2 assists, and 1 steal. Si Tiburcio naman, si Musselman, 14 points, 13 rebounds, 3 blocks. So, double-double na si Musselman, Tiburcio. Sa Bakakay naman, coach, si Arzubal, 16 points, 3 rebounds. Si Katimbuhan, 14 points, 6 rebounds, 9 assists, 1 steal. Si Brasha naman, yung papulot-pulot lang si Brasha, 13 points, 4 rebounds, 1 assist, and 1 block.
At yun nga ang ating stats. Blanca launching that 3-point shot but missing it. At ayan na nga, grabe yung production ni Seriola. And that is because of his hustle. And ang bola, yung mga second chance opportunity.
Yes, coach. Yun yung factor din eh.
The second chance points of Team Malinaw is killing the defense of Team Bakakay.
Nakikita mo yung hustle nila talaga, coach. Andun talaga. Yung securing din ng yung problema doon ng Bakakay. Doon yung medyo nawawala sila.
And Seriola kontra kay Katimbuhan. Seriola to Tiburcio. Tiburcio with that short jumper at ngayon namamagana ang kalamangan ng Team Malinaw. This is already a 16-point ball game.
Oo, coach, lumobo na yung lumobo na yung lamang.
And I guess that basket will not count. Pero mananatili ang possession para sa Team Bakakay with 18 seconds on their shot clock. At another turnover para sa Team Bakakay. And Seriola, ibinalik pa kay Blanca. Pero na-traveling lang siya doon.
Wala, di pinagbigyan.
Oo, kitang-kita yun ni Ref.
Ganda sana yung play. Pang-highlight sana yung Coach Kyle. Medyo coach kasi yung na-obserban ko. Si Katimbuhan, magandang laro. Pero yung teammates niya, medyo hindi nakaka-contribute masyado eh. Mga ganyan. Okay.
Pero Katimbuhan, he looks like he wants to take over in this ball game.
Still fighting.
This is 14-point ball game.
Kaya pa to, coach. Kaya pa to.
Oh, mahaba
pa to. Mababa lang nila ito sa 10 eh. Si Coach Badong, kakontrol lang laro. Okay.
Grabe yung nasayang doon ng oras.
Oo. Ayan, bumaba eh. Oh, nice block.
At on top na abangan na naman ni Tiburcio. And he wants to push the ball.
Nice play.
Wow. Hindi lang nila again na-convert yun. And Basaysay.
Ayan, may version sila.
At another miss.
Oo.
For the Team Bakakay. Wasted opportunity once
coach.
again para sa Team Bakakay.
Yun yung problema nila, coach eh.
What's the key or the turning point of this ball game kung bakit merong 16 na kalamangan ang Team Malinaw, coach?
Yung kanina, yung pinagkikwentuhan natin, yung second chance points ng Malinaw. Then, yung mga conversion talaga ng Bakakay, wala. Di ba? Maganda yung setup ni Katimbuhan, pero yung mga assist niya hindi pumapasok.
Ayun nga, nagiging problema dito ng Team Makakay. And the question right now, kailan kaya makiko-convert na ng kanyang teammates para maibaba na itong Kalamangan at makabalik na sila dito sa ating ball game. And Basaysay with the basketball, asking for a pick kay Brasha. Brasha with his jumper.
Ayan.
Pasok yan kay Brasha.
Sa wakas, yung mga pull-up ni Brasha. So, kailangan na kailangan yan. So, 14-point lead, coach. So, kayang-kaya pa to. So, they need to stop lang. They need to stop. Then, they need to secure ng mga rebounds nila.
Seriola, 3 seconds yon. That's a good call on our referee.
Ayan, ganyan dapat kung medyo kailangan sila makastop para makahabol sa game na to, coach. Ayan, oh. Muntik na sa turnover na naman yun.
Pero ang bola ay mananatili sa Team Makakay. And this ball game is brought to you by Willie and Sands. Basta Appliances, Willie's. Masaysay with a long range shot.
Wala.
Hindi pa rin makabutas
Oo.
ng 3-point shot si Masaysay.
Maalat.
And Rodriguez, he wants to use some clock here. At binabantayan siya ngayon ni Brasha and asking for a clear out.
Ayan na, sa loob.
Bob is losing that ball at Katimbuhan with a running start. And Brasha
Well, di ba?
namintis na.
Oo. Air ball.
Blanca for 3!
Ayan na.
And another turnover. That's the last man that you want to be left wide open is Blanca.
si
You
Blanca.
cannot afford to give him those wide open shots.
Yes, coach. Totoo yan. Basta nakabrelo yan si Blanca.
And Blanca is very well known in making his own shot. As we take a look at this rainbow from Blanca, and that is being brought to you by Incotools, Legazpi, Sorsogon, and Naga. Meron silang dahil malakasan ng ating Ako Bicol Cup, magbibigay rin sila ng 50% off sa lahat ng mga Bicolano. Sa Inco, make the world in your hands. At with this timeout, Coach, magang-magana ang Kalamangan ng Team Malinaw with 17-point lead. Ano kaya ang kailangan gawin ngayon ng Team Bakakay para matapesan itong Kalamangan na to?
Siguro, coach, kailangan nila mag-pressure sa defense. Medyo magmamantuman na sila. Medyo lumulobo na yung lamang ng Malinaw. So, kailangan nila more aggressive sa defense, secure the rebounds, and then convert nila yung offense nila. Kasi yun yung factor din, coach. Kasi ang dami nilang mintis.
At yun nga ang susubukang gawin ng Team Bakakay with under the 6-minute mark ng ating bakbakan. Again, you can watch us live sa aming mga Facebook pages. Ako Bicol Online TV, Ako Bicol Portalist, and sa page ni Representative Saldico. Magandang hapon po sa ating mga live viewers, online viewers. And here, syempre din sa mga live audience namin dito sa loob ng Daraga Covered Court sa bayang umaarangkada ng Daraga Albay. And Tiburcio hitting his first free throw. At gusto niya pang dagdagan yan with his second free throw. 2 for 2 for Tiburcio.
Sure ball pa si Tiburcio sa free throws.
Beltran with the ball. Kontra kay Seriola. Beltran open momentarily and he launches his three. Pero mintis yun. At ayan na naman ang Team Malinaw. Nag-iisa doon si Seriola. At eto na, 21 big points. The biggest
Oo.
lead here in our ball game. And naaabangan na naman ni Tiburcio doon ang tira ni Arizubal. And Katimbuhan for 3. Still no good. At andyan ang bola sa Bakakay. And Bertes, sisiguraduhin niya ang 2-pointer na yan.
Oo. Medyo talaga, nahihirapan sila maka-convert, coach.
Blanca kontra kay Basaysay. And a switch there.
Ayan.
Blanca dancing, launching. Pero namintis niya yun. And Arizubal. Pero buti na lang. At nakuha niya pa rin yung rebound doon.
Buti na lang na-recover yung coach niya,
Seriola, what a pass to Bobis for another 2-pointer. The ball movement right now
Oo.
of Team Malinaw
Malinaw.
is excellent.
Mas gumanda ngayon yung ball movement, coach, nung Malinaw. Nung first half, maganda yung ball movement ng Bakakay. Maganda yung spacing. Ngayon, nung pagdating ng second half, medyo yung turn around, yung Malinaw naman yung maganda yung pasahan, maganda yung spacing.
And Seriola, binato na lang yung bola. At ayun na naman, ang offensive rebound. Another chance for the Team Malinaw.
Double-double na to.
Siguro that's the 15th
Yes.
rebound already for Tiburcio.
Tiburcio. Solid. Solid yung laro niya ngayon. Pero dapat mababa lang nila ito kahit paano within 2 minutes, coach. So, anything can happen naman, di ba?
And this is only a 16-point ball game. 3 minutes and 30 seconds sa ating ball game.
They need stops, coach. They need stops.
Oh yeah, because yung offense nila okay naman, di ba?
Oo.
And Blanca right now being hounded by Beltran. Big pick on Tiburcio.
Ayan,
And Blanca slicing through the defense. What an attack once again.
yes. So, medyo kumukulaps yung depensa kasi, coach.
At ayan na naman another miss there. And Blanca open for 3. Back irons that one. At Katimbuhan sa kabilang dulo. At buti na lang. At andon si Basaysay to clean up that mess.
Yung first attempt ng Bakakay yung problema, coach.
Ang problema naman dito sa kabila, yung first attempt din namimintis pero ilang offensive rebounds sila napupulot nila.
Oo. Ayan.
That's a good stop there for the Team Bakakay. And nakapulot ng end one play with that foul on Blanca.
So, kailangan nila yung coach, yung ma-stop yung bola. Pero makaka-score sila sa free throw.
As we take a look at this replay, ganda din ng layup doon. And right now, this is only a 12-point ball game and Team Bakakay has the chance to trim it down to 11 points.
Yun, sipag lang talaga kailangan din.
And this free throw is atin sa inyo ng Miss Sibis Bay sa Cagraray Island, your tropical island getaway. And Blanca right now with the ball. Blanca slicing through once again. The reverse layup. Pero andon si Tiburcio saving that layup. What an hassle. That's a hard fall there on Tiburcio.
Yan yung mga gusto kong mga players na naglalaro. Yung hassle. Yan lang, medyo nasaktan ata si Tiburcio dyan. Yung landing niya.
At mukhang that's really a hard fall there on Tiburcio.
Sana pagod lang, coach. Kasi yung hassle niya eh. Ayan, medyo
As we take a look at this replay,
solid. Nice
hindi
block.
natin nakita doon sa
Oo.
sa angle na yon. Pero
Siguro sa pagod lang yung
Oo.
coach. Kita mo yung takbo niya.
oo, from
Diba?
the other side, coast to coast. Kung may coast to coast na
rebound
layup,
niya.
meron din coast to coast block.
Block pa niya. So, pagod lang yun, coach. Feeling ko.
At feeling ko nabagsakan niya lang yung tripod doon ng ating
Pwede.
camera.
Pwede rin. Baka tumama lang yun, pero hindi yan.
Again, that's the replay there. At ayun nga, tumama siya doon sa
oo.
ating tripod ng camera.
Buti safe yung
Oo.
tripod.
And Katimbuhan missing his first free throw.
Pero yung mga likes ni Tiburcio, mga tough yan, mga
Oo.
players na yan.
Ipinagpag niya lang eh.
Oo.
And Katimbuhan getting this lead down to 13 points.
Oo, kaya pa to, coach. Kailangan na i-create ng turnover. Ayan
At ayan
na.
na nga, nakakreate sila ng turnover and Katimbuhan.
Nice.
Katimbuhan nagpasabit at may kasama pang foul. That's a bad foul.
Oo. Bad talaga yun. Kinaliwa.
Mhm.
Grabe to player to.
As we take a look at this replay of that layup of Katimbuhan, talagang iniiwas niya yung kanyang layup doon. And he makes sure of his free throw. This is only a 10-point
10
ball
points.
game.
10 points. Parang merong foul.
At meron nga naitawag na foul doon on that last sequence. And I guess that's on Beltran. Rodriguez. He wants to waste away the time.
Kailangan lang stop.
And Seriola, naiwanan si Katimbuhan. At ang bola ay mananatili na naman kay Seriola. Ewan ko ba kung bakit pumupunta lagi dito sa mamangka ang bola, no?
Hindi naman yata niya birthday ngayon. Diba?
Blanca attacking and making. What a layup by Blanca.
Pag umatake si Blanca dun sa middle na yun, sigurado na yun.
Katimbuhan.
Dina-double team.
Beltran driving and making.
10. Medyo kailangan nila ng steal dito and turnover.
Especially we are under a minute to go sa ating ball game. And this is 10-point ball game. And Rodriguez
Nice pass.
to Bobis. 10 on their shot clock. 7 on their shot clock. Tiburcio driving and missing. At sa kabilang dulo is Beltran to Katimbuhan for the 2 points. 28.9 seconds. And we have a foul there.
Medyo yung oras hindi nakakampi ng Bakakay dito.
They need to foul here.
Oo. Para ma-stop nila yung oras, kailangan nila mag-foul.
Ito yun na nga ginawa ni Beltran doon, fouling Rodriguez, and he fouls out of this ball game. Beltran.
Late na yung run ng Bakakay, coach. So, and then yung control ni Coach Badong sa game, dinala niya talaga yung tempo rin ng Malinaw, 'di ba, coach, towards the end ng game. So iba talaga pag mga veterano
Oo.
at saka coach.
At sa kanya pa ang bola. Talagang naging istorya natin dito, coach. The offensive rebounds.
Oo, coach, 'di ba? Nakita mo hanggang dito sa fourth quarter, sa end ng game, sa kanila pa rin yung bola.
And Blanca making free throw. And he makes sure of his last free throw. And again, a 10-point ball game. Shot clock is off for the team Bakakay.
So, papababae na lang nila yung lamang.
And with that miss, and Team Malinaw will come victorious. Let's wrap up this game. Coach, what happened here? Ano ba ang magandang ginawa ng Team Malinaw, and they got this victory?
So, coach, nakita natin yung first half medyo Bakakay yung story ng game. Yung second half goes to Malinaw na the rebounding, yung offensive rebounds, and then magandang spacing and passing ng Malinaw. So, nako-convert nila. While sa Bakakay naman, yung conversion talaga niya, medyo nahihirapan sila to convert the basket.
So, yun na nga po ang ating final score. Team Malinaw will come victorious contra this Team Bakakay with a score of 91-84. And this will give them the highest hope for a second round. Kagaya nga ng pinag-uusapan natin, because Team Malinaw right now will fall sa ating second spot dyan sa first district standing with 3-1 under the 3-0 of Santo Domingo, and Team Bakakay will be at 2-2 sa kanilang standing. So then as we take a look at some of the highlights of this ball game, at puntahan natin din sino ba ang ating Kong Salico best player of the ball game, coach?
Siyempre, walang iba sa Malinaw, si Leo Blanca with 26 points, 4 rebounds, 2 assists, and 4 steals.
Yes, and let's have I'll give credit din sa dalawang mama na nagbigay din dito ng panalo sa Malinaw, talking about Seriola and Tiburcio.
Yes, so yung dalawang yun talagang nagtrabaho sila dun sa loob, yung rebounds, yung hustle. So that's why nakamit nila itong panalong ito.
At yan na nga mga kasurog, we are just down for our second game of the 5 games Sunday special ng Ako Bicol Cup. Magbabalik po kami pa rin ang makakasama ninyo mamaya para sa ating Game 3. Magkita-kita po ulit tayo maya-maya lamang dito sa Ako Bicol Cup 2022.
Tucked away in the province of Albay, known for its perfectly shaped Mayon volcano, Misibis Bay Resort, a locally owned 5-hectare private island resort. The resort is ready for all those looking to balance tranquility and adventure. This tropical destination is where guests can either choose to relax under the palm trees or have an adventure under the sun. It features modern and luxurious rooms and villas, recreational facilities, and sophisticated services. Come and experience Misibis Bay Resort, your tropical island getaway.
kami sa pagremedyo ng mga sira at paglinis ng dumi. Sa tahanan opisina ang maaasahan mo ay Inco. Oh, Inco. Inco. Inco.